Hi guys, how's it going? In today's video I have the AUTOONE LED headlights that I'm gonna install on the MDX. And you know what? AUTOONE has different types of LED for your car, either for the headlights or any exterior lights, also interior lights for your car. So if you wanna upgrade your car to LED, check out AUTOONE LED lights. I'm gonna put down the link in the description down below. Also, if you use my coupon code EDCARDIY, you will save 15% on anything in the stores. So it doesn't matter what type of cars you have, either you have European, American or Japanese car, AUTOONE have the LED for your car. So in today's video I'm gonna do unboxing, installation and also test on the AUTOONE LED headlights. So now let's get started. So the packaging is nice. It says here high brightness, long lifespan, plug and play, off-road. Operating voltage is 9 to 32 volts and 26 watts per bulb. And the color temperature on this one is 6000 K. So the lower the K, it become yellowish, and 6000 is in the middle. That's a white color. More than 6000 and it's gonna start to become bluish. So 6000 is the middle one, which is a white color temperature. So also this is IP67 rated and has a body material of aluminum. And operating temperature is minus 40 Fahrenheit to plus 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Nice packaging. So we have some product manual. So this is the 10S series LED lights. And some instructional manual here how to install it. You have different types of O-ring. So this is the actual bulb. Oh, nice. It has a little fan at the back to for cooling. First time I've seen a light bulb with a fan at the back for cooling. That's a very small fan. You can see it's a small fan in there. So that's the LED. You have 3 bars of LED here, another 3 on the other side. And it's pretty light. It's made out of aluminum. The construction is really well done. Plus you have the extra cooling of the fan, which I really like. So the other one is the same. Has a little fan, aluminum construction with O-ring. Nicely done. It's a good quality bulb from AUTOONE. I like it. So this is my Acura MDX and we're gonna replace the bulb that's on the high beam. So I turn on the high beam right now. As you can see, the high beam, they were yellow because the high beams were halogen light bulbs. So we're gonna replace those to LED to match the 2 driving lights, which are HID, and the HID are white colored bulbs. So for sure, if you change the 2 high beams to LED, they would look match and look a lot better at night. So to access the bulb, we have to remove the clips on this cover here. So there's multiple clips that we have to take out, and then after that you have to remove the battery. We will see, maybe we can work on it without removing the battery. But if you need to remove the battery, you gotta have a code for your radio, otherwise your radio will not work anymore. On this section here, you might have to move the power steering fluid reservoir and So that is the connector that we have to release. Might have to take out the battery. So I took out the battery. It's easier access when you take out the battery. Like I said before, just make sure you have the code for the radio if you cannot remove the battery. Otherwise your radio is not gonna work. So here, see my hand, have to rotate that. That's the bulb, and this is the cable for the bulb. You have to rotate that to counterclockwise to remove the bulb from the base. So if you turn counterclockwise, then you can remove the bulb. There you go. That's the bulb. Finally got it out. So I finally got one installed. You can see that's how it looks like when it's installed. Now it's time to go to the next one. I don't have any access. The only way to access is to remove this reservoir tank. Just unclip it from the base or remove this bracket here on the top, and then we can have access to that bulb over there. That's the one. So I'm gonna remove this reservoir bracket. I'm gonna put it aside so I have more space to access that bulb. So I finally get the other one installed, and that's a tight squeeze over there. It's not enough space to move around with your hand. So I finally got it done. Now it's time to put everything back, put the battery back, and test out these bulbs. So guys, look at the difference. Oh my god, the brightness of the LED is so bright. It's even brighter than my HID, and even whiter than my HID. So I think I have to replace my HID also to 6000K. We will see. Also my fog lights and my daytime driving lights, I'm gonna replace that to LED also. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Remember, if you're interested in the AUTOONE LED lights, check out the link below, and don't forget to use EdCard DIY. Save yourself 15% of everything in the store. So guys, give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
You're like a drug that I just can't deny, giving me the best.